Denali Down South here. How's this for wild? While grocery shopping, we found flaming hot Cheetos sushi. So I figure I'll go ahead and give it a shot. This video's not going to be as long as the other one chip challenge video, of course. So I figure I saw these. I was like, okay, you know what? I got to try this. This is too wild. So we're going to give it a shot. This is so weird. Yeah, I guess a little spicy, but not bad. I never found flaming hot Cheetos to be really hot anyway, at least not for me. I like the jalapeno Cheetos better, honestly, with better flavor. This has got a little heat to it. I guess because it also has the sriracha on it. But let's see, this one is crab on it, yep. So this is a crab sushi. And there are a bunch of other jazz in there. Okay, yeah, cucumber, avocado, ginger. Yeah, so okay, this has got a little spice to it, but it's not, it's not kicking my butt. At the fair a couple of years ago, we had a flaming hot Cheeto corn dog. And the corn dog wasn't too bad.
I even tried it.
Alexis even tried it. She's eating regular sushi right now. Well, semi-regular sushi. This is, what kind of sushi you got here? This is called the, Southern Charm Roll Spicy Shrimp.
It's good.
Yeah. So I think with my flaming hot Cheetos, the sriracha sauce on it, I think is spicier than the flaming hot Cheetos itself. I think. I don't know, or at least the flavor stands out. I like that more for me. So yeah, it's not kicking my butt. I mean, it's a little spicy, but it's definitely not close to the one chip challenge, that's for sure.
Wait, can I try?
Let's try these two.
I want to try one.
Oh. Sorry, my mouth is so full.
Can I try one?
Yeah, I figured I'd try to put two in to see if the whole mouth covered. It's still kicking my butt. You want to try one?
Yes, please.
Okay, go on.
Okay. See how spicy this is. It's not really that spicy.
Yeah, so you're like me. You can handle the flaming hot Cheetos, no problem.
Yeah.
Other people, the flaming hot Cheetos is hot, but apparently for me and her, the flaming hot Cheetos are nothing. But you don't like jalapenos, do you? See, she doesn't like jalapenos and she doesn't like super spicy stuff. But the flaming hot Cheetos doesn't affect me and her. So I don't know. Would I get these again? Maybe. But is it like a challenge level thing? No.
No, because even I could do it.
Even she can do it, she says. So anyway, thank you for joining me on this quick challenge video, I guess. That's not really a challenge. So remember, get up.
Sushi eating vlog testing how hot it is.
Yeah, what she said. So yeah, remember, get outside and enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.